Welcome to this video. I've optimized a product to securely attach the VE Direct cable to various Victron energy components. By screwing two screws into the provided holes, you connect the 3D printed part to the VE Direct cable. So now the cable is already connected to the Smart Solar MPPT 7515. The same process applies to the Smart Shunt rated at 500 amps. But for the Smart Solar MPPT 120, I've designed a spacer block in the perfect size to connect the cable with it, like you see in the video. Two screws and it holds it tight. Specifically for the Orion XS, I've designed an additional spacer block. What do you think of the products? Let me know in the comments section. I've also included a link in the description where you can find it.